Hello, this is Chandra from ReadyPods Technologies Next Gen Modular Data Centers company. We manufacture edge data centers in Hyderabad, India. I would like to walk you through the demo unit, what we made for a container-based edge data centers. And I also want to walk you through the features that we have created for the sustainability and also edge computing technologies within this container. So welcome on. Hi, so behind me is the containerized prefab modular sustainable edge data center. Let us explore together. So this is a work in progress container-based data center which we are building for one of our customers. This is a steel frame which is assembled, can be assembled at site, can be dismantled also. It is flexible, and besides it, we have a PIR off panel which is also fire retardant and also heat resistant and also weather resistant. So it can withstand any harsh weathers. It can be set up outside. It can stand on any environments. Which is very flexible with the 50 mm thickness of the wall, which is good enough for a container-based data centers which we have prepared for this unit. So let's explore together some more features inside the container which we have built. I wanted to explain the floor, which has a great feature. The floor has can stand on a frame, a steel frame, which can also take load of about 1800 to 2000 kgs of each IT rack load. And so let's go together and explore what's inside. Thank you. Hi. So we are in 20 by 10 feet flexible prefab container, and I would like to walk you through some of the important features of this container. So the floor is made out of the steel frame. One of the prerequisites for a cement floor, which is a 25 by 15 feet, where we can install this container. We have an also option to put a 1 feet high container floor for installing the racks on the top of it. So this is one of the important features where the container, the steel rack can have anywhere between 1500 to 2000 kgs of weight, including servers and upright. So that's the reason we have very much focused on the flooring, where we have a wooden floor, and on the top below there is a steel frame, which is also an ISO steel certified. So that's one of the important features for container-based data centers. The next one, I would like to also take you to the spacing between the walls to the rack. Behind me, we have 3 demo IT racks, which is about 42U high. These IT racks are very specially manufactured to be in a container-based data center. It has all the features of cold isolation, hot isolation, and all stuff. So this is one of our main product. I would like to walk you through the initial space that is available for the technicians that you can walk through between the IT racks. Thank you. Hi. So this is one of our main smart racks we have. The IT racks are 1200 mm in depth, and 2000 is the height, and 800 mm is the wide, which is glass door, which you can see all the suffer performance and all easily through the glass. And every glass has LED lights are there, very automated. They will glow based on the rack opening, rack closing and stuff, right? So behind me there are 3 IT racks which we have installed, and there is a 3 feet gap between the wall to the door. The door can easily be opened, and we can also easily slide the IT servers inside easily into the IT frame. So one of the important feature is we have isolation of cold air and hot air. So I want to show that actually. That's important in the data centers actually to save energy, and we call it as a sustainable product actually. So this is a smart rack. Again, we have dashboard there. We have all the This dashboard can give all the Modbus related protocol based dashboarding, like what are the temperatures inside each IT rack, what is the humidity inside the IT racks can also be displayed here in this monitor. So in-rack cooling system which can support up to 5 to 10 kilowatts. I would like to show you how that works. So here below me there is a in-rack modular based air conditioning system, which is also AC fans driven. The air cooling will go up from here and it can pass through the right and left on this side and this side, so that the cooling always be on the front of the servers. This is the panels where the air cooling will be sucked by every server, and the hot air will go onto the behind of the IT rack actually. So this is one of the important feature of this AC fans driven in-row cooling system is it can sense the heat and it can adjust itself in an automated mode, so that it can also adjust the cooling what required when there is heat is being generated by the server. So at the time when there is a peak hours, non-peak hours, nights and all stuff, so that during that time the air conditioner can adjust. It always don't need to be 22 degrees, right? So it can adjust its cooling based on the required by the servers. So that's one of the important feature, and this is an isolation, right? This cooling stays here in front of this row, and we can dense the complete rack with full of servers, and servers can absorb the cooling and pass the cooling air onto the servers, and behind there is a hot air, right? So that's one of the another interesting feature is the cooling can go from this side to the other side, which is another important feature. This is a very customized IT racks purposely built for the containment zones. Monitor can the technician can immediately see what is the temperatures, what's happening in each IT rack, and we can see the display of the all the temperatures and the humidity that are being developed in each environmental management system, where you can see when there is a leakage of water, we have a iron alarm will come out, and there is a smoke, there is also alarm automatically will come out, so that the technicians will know and what is the happening in the each IT rack. So let's see that test it and see how that works. Hi, so this time I would like to explain the EMS solution what we have developed. It's a completely homegrown solution based on the Modbus protocol. This is very important for a small data centers to look at the temperatures and the humidity and the smoke sensor. And all the racks are very smart, and they can adjust the temperatures based on the heats that's being generated by each and every server. This intelligence is very much required for the engineers to know what's happening, what peak hours. So a lot of big data analytics we can develop based on this EMS solution. So I wanted to give you a little bit more details. So we have a temperature sensor in here, which is every rack we have this temperature, and the temperature will show the humidity as well as the temperature inside the rack. That is one of the important feature, and also we have important feature is the smoke sensor. So if there is any smoke or if there is fire is coming within the rack, the automatically smoke sensor will sense the smoke, and itself will pop up a trigger to fire an alarm for the technicians to warn the situation. So this is the smoke sensor here inside. Pretty much is there, and if I press it, so once the smoke sensor senses the smoke, automatically the sensor will send a signal to the alarm, and alarm. Every rack will have a smoke sensor, and smoke sensors can sense the smoke and also alert it immediately if there is any smoke issues there. Right? Smart racks or water leakage. So the water can leak sometimes, but not really. But the smoke, the water can come out of the in-rack systems little bit, In that case, what will happen is we have a water sensor, which is this one. Once you do that, automatically the water. So the water leakage will detect, the sensor will detect the water and immediately sends a signal to the alarm, and alarm will blow and will alert the team for immediate action. So this is smart. This is not controlled. This is monitored every 24/7. This is what our own solution, and every rack will have that feature. The EMS solution is we have lots of other features, premium features we call it. We have an intro air cooling system based on protocol, Modbus protocol, and we have also a UPS system, which is also a Modbus protocol, and we also in-row cooling system can also be supported in the EMS solution. So all this in-rack, UPS, in-row air cooling system can also send data based on the Modbus, and our EMS can read and customize the solution for the customer's requirement. This is one of the very important feature which we have packaged in the complete solution of the data centers. And most important thing is these features are this is very work in progress. We are still implementing. I think another 2 weeks time we should be able to complete the whole installation. So as far as the installation and implementation is concerned, we take normally 3 weeks to 4 weeks on site, complete end to end, ready to go. So that means we come there once with the civil floor is ready based on the requirement. This is a precondition for us. So then we will come out with all my technicians will come and install the rack, install the container, install the top panels, everything ready to go, and give you the keys for commercial operations within 3-4 weeks time. So this implementation schedule can be negotiated based on expandable on any other direction. Meaning, I can remove this wall and go on another 20 feet container, making it 40 feet container. That's one of the important features. So the containers are more flexible. They can expand on this direction. They can expand on another direction. So we can make like 40 by 40 one big container, stuffing like 8 to 9 or 10, 12 to 15 racks. So these all can be a very customized solution which we offer. And another important thing is the door is a fire-rated door. Fire-rated door is a certified fire-rated door we give with a small window and a panic button behind the door. So when anyone's trapped within the container, they can just push the door and come out of this container. So that's all basically the most important features I want to walk you through. So please feel free to contact us for any customized solutions, and we are ready to help you on any direction. Besides containment, we have other solutions like containment. We have solutions. We have indoor type of solutions also there, and we also micro data centers also there. The skid is there. So lots of 5-6 very good products. So we manufacture everything. So we are based in Hyderabad. Please feel to reach me out or any of my technical team for carving out a very good solution for your data center needs. Thank you so much. Bye bye.